Hello everyone, how are you? Yeah, I'm over the moon, alright? Whenever anyone will ask you, you have to say, I'm over the moon. Never say, I'm fine all the time. It's gonna be boring, right? I'm gonna ask you again, then don't answer saying, I'm fine again, alright? How are you? I'm over the moon, alright? So this is not our topic today. Our topic is past simple tense. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. আমি খেয়েছিলাম।
I ate.
আমি খেয়েছিলাম।
I ate.
আমি গিয়েছিলাম।
I went.
I went, alright? আমি গিয়েছিলাম।
I went.
আমি দেখেছিলাম।
I saw.
I saw, right?
I saw.
Again, আমি দেখেছিলাম।
I saw.
আমি নিয়েছিলাম।
I took.
আমি নিয়েছিলাম।
I took.
আমি পড়েছিলাম।
I read.
I read. Okay, listen, someone may say you like it's read, and read, but it's not read. First one is read, but the past form is read. Past participle form also read. Let's try again. আমি পড়েছিলাম।
I read.
আমি পড়েছিলাম।
I read.
Okay, now make long sentences. আমি দেখেছিলাম।
I saw.
Louder.
I saw.
আমি একটি পাখি দেখেছিলাম।
I saw a bird.
I saw a bird. আমি একটি পাখি দেখেছিলাম।
I saw a bird.
Okay, next one. আমি পড়েছিলাম।
I read.
আমি একটি বই পড়েছিলাম।
I read a book.
Okay, that's all for today. Next time, we will learn how to make negative sentences with past simple tense. Alright? So, claps everyone.